After a long, cold winter, the first signs of spring can be a relief. You may be ready for warmer temperatures and spring flowers, but is your house? Here are 3 ways to help get your home's exterior in shape for the season. These tips may require using a ladder. If you don't feel comfortable using a ladder, consider hiring a professional. Start with your roof. Ask the expert to make sure the shingles are not curling or clawing. If they are, they could be susceptible to leaks and may need to be replaced. Next, inspect your siding and trim for damage from winter weather. If you see any rotten siding or trim, consider having a professional repair or replace the damaged materials. Finally, give your gutters and downspouts a good spring cleaning. Remove any leaves or debris blocking water from passing through. With these 3 projects, you can help make your home's exterior ready for whatever spring brings its way. Looking for more home tips? Visit allstate.com/blog.